Okay, guys, here's a quick video to demonstrate how to send in a screenshot. So, some of you have sent this in where you send it in as a link and it appears like this. And so, if I get that type from you, I'm going to send you this video so you can do it correctly. Mallory was nice enough to help me out here and allow me to use hers because she used to do it incorrectly. And Sophie helped me make a video, so we've got a video from Sophie that we're going to present here. So I just want you to see if you send it in this way, look at how long it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There. Then it shows up here. It still can't read it though. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Can take like 18 seconds just to load this, and it takes forever before I can get to your problem. And I don't want to do that anymore. I want to show you how fast it goes the other way. Okay, if you send it correctly, where it's this screenshot here, watch how fast this goes. Ready? 1. Oh, and we're there already. You can see it's 18 times faster to send it this way. So, how do you send it that way? Well, that's what I got for you here. Hold on here. We're going to zoom out of here. We are going to slide Sophie's screen into here. Thank you, Sophia, for making this for us. We're going to enlarge that. Perfect. And we're going to play her video. Here it goes. Pay attention.
Okay, so this is how you can submit your math problems faster to Mr. Anderson, and it makes it easier for him to open it faster. So first, just make sure you're not in full screen, so if you are, just do that. So your tabs are showing and everything. And then you're going to take the screenshot, and then you're going to come over here and say copy to clipboard, and click that. And then you can go over to Google Hangouts, and then go Control V. Then it pops up, and then you can just press enter, and it will send it to him.
Perfect. And guys, that goes so much faster. So if you would be willing to do that, that would save me time. Anytime you send me the other way, I'm going to send you this video. Thanks. Bye-bye.